Hey guys, what's going on? This is me and Jackson. Today Jackson will be talking a lot because he has a really bad cough. You could probably hear him in the background sometimes. And so he'll be playing most of it. I'll be talking. So I'm just showing you guys. Like we showed you in the last episode, we have our pet dog. She's laying down right now. So right now we are playing the one, the only, almost one of our favorite games, Assassin. You probably heard Jackson, he doesn't feel good. He's sick, so with the cough. So we are playing Assassin. And tomorrow, there will be more videos coming up, so be prepared. And make sure you hit that like button. So, Hi. Oh, come on, Jackson. Come on. Find a killer. Find some people. Uh-oh. They're in for it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dang it. Why can't I go for him? Put your knife back out. I'm away. So this will be a very short video because we are not showing a whole lot because Jackson, his cough is really bad. So that's why. Waiting to play. Play a game they would like to see. So he is going to play Jailbreak. We are playing Jailbreak, like I said, and he is going to be let me see what he's going to be. He's going to be a prisoner today. So make sure y'all hit that like button. And if you're new to this is Roblox and this is Brock and Jackson. Just so y'all know. Oh my God, Jackson, why can't you escape? Say your character. No, if you would say your character, yeah. But look, next time. So he's still in jail. And in one of our earliest episode, in a episode that we're gonna have later on, probably this weekend, if you're new, it's a surprise for y'all. And it's in Minecraft. We will be videoing it, so don't worry. So Jackson has escaped. And so once he dies about like 2 times or 3 maybe, then we are going to end this episode because his cough is getting bad. His throat's starting to turn red. So we playing if you're new, Call of Duty, Minecraft, and Roblox, as you can see. Those will all be in different times. And so he's escaping. Go, 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 you're about to get arrested. Wait, you got arrested. So he just got arrested. Ooh. Oh, you're cool. You're climbing on the prison bars. Get off the fan. You getting cold? Are you tired? You wanna go to bed? So we have to end the video. So we will see y'all later. Bye. How about you just plan